Hey guys, welcome back to Artistic Therapy Zone. We have completed 3 years of our art journey successfully on this 14th of April. This is our birthday month, and so we have come up with so many freebies for you guys. We hosted this live Facebook event on our Facebook page wherein I taught different art forms. This is the third one in a row. The other two, a doodle bookmark and a mini mandala, both link are put in the description box below. You can check them out, guys. Can you see the stillness and the calmness of this beautiful place? It is so peaceful, guys. With the cloudy weather, the flowing sound of waves, and the beauty of the nature, it will be a total stress buster for us. So what if we cannot go and visit to this place during the tough times of corona? We can at least create one. So let's get started.
We are going to do one pen art, and we require just a simple pen. Black pen is preferable, and a thick paper. If you have a thick paper, it will be great. If you have normal paper, that is like, then you have to stick it. वो मतलब इतना ज़्यादा क्या बोलते हैं, permanent नहीं रहेगा. So if it is a thick paper, your art will be like more permanent. So are you guys excited? Shall we start? And guys, if there is some technical issue, just bear with me. I'll try to come again. मतलब अगर कुछ कट हो जाता है, something is there, I'll come again. Okay, don't worry. So let's get started. Okay, for the people who are new here, let me introduce myself. I am Anita Gupta from Artistic Therapy Zone, and this venture was started 3 years back, wherein I used to conduct live workshop for all the people at home, and I used to conduct various art forms from canvas painting to shoe painting to barley art, bottle art. So I have covered a wide range of workshops for beginners of all age group, and it has completed 3 years. Last year I went online. Hi Aparna. Last year I went online, and now it's been almost a year of my online workshops because of all this current situation. There are so many changes now, so I think we all need little bit of our me time to come out of this situation. If we do art now, I'm telling you, you'll really feel that you have entered into another zone where you'll find yourself to be in peace and calm manner. Okay guys, so let's get started. I am just mounting it. Take one paper. I have taken this A4 size paper, but I am not going to use this full A4 size. I'll be using half of it, and in that I'll be making one triangle. So you guys can also make a triangle, and it's your choice what size you need to take. Now take the center of your this triangle. How you will take जितना भी आपने measurement लिया है, just take half of it. Okay, so this is my center, and what I have to do is make one plank. We see like that one plank in the we are making one scenery where we will be making a plank, a boat, sun, clouds, and some side views. Okay, so first let's make a plank right at the center. I'll advise you to first use pencil, because if there is some correction we can erase it, and once we are confident, means only for the main characters we'll be using pencil. After that, shading and all we will be doing directly. Okay, so make like this one plank. this paper which I have used, it is from this Ivory sketch pad. It is a heavyweight paper, acid free, and it is recommended for crayon, pencil, paint, charcoal and light paints, and it is having 130 GSM. So you guys must be wondering what is this GSM. So GSM is nothing but basically the thickness of a paper. So the higher the GSM, the thicker the paper. For all such art forms, we usually go for higher than 100 GSM, so that the paper is little thick. See, can you see the thickness of my paper? Yeah, so it has to be little thick. And I want you guys, everyone, to do it along with me, because if you will see now, you will not enjoy it how much you will enjoy by actually doing it. So please guys, gather your paper, pen, pencils, ruler, eraser, sharpener, that's all you need, and start working with me. And first I have drawn a triangle, and then I have made a plank from the center and divided into 3 equal parts. That's what I have covered till now. Next we have to do is make the side waves. So here just do some curvy lines. Okay, जैसे वो पानी के waves होते हैं ना, like that we need to give a shape. Okay, and यहाँ पर here the horizon, here comes the horizon. We will be covering clouds and sun on the top, and let's make here also the waves. It doesn't need to be like this perfect, but just cover the sides. Okay, we just need to make that wavy shape. So we are almost doing with the main elements, and then we will come to the shading part. And here I am making one sun, which is half covered by the clouds, as nowadays it is like cloudy weather here. Okay guys, those who don't know, here means where. So right now I am in Rajasthan at my in-laws place. So here it is little bit cloudy in the morning. Make like this curves, okay, to give it little bit shape of a cloud. Once we will I'll show you the shading, it will look more beautiful. So right now just make like this cloudy shape, and you can make it of your choice. मेरे जैसा सेम करना है ऐसा कोई ज़रूरी नहीं है. So just use your own creativity to make these clouds. Only thing is give it little curve shape, because all the clouds are like little different only every time, right? So no cloud will be like this is not a proper cloud. Every cloud will be unique in itself, just like us, how every one of us is unique in ourselves. Okay, these are the main elements, and here I'll draw one fisherman and a boat. Okay, so how we have to do that is make like this curve. Okay, so this is our boat,
our boat is done, and now the men. So just make like this 2 curves and 1 face. Okay, we don't want एकदम proper human figure नहीं, just that shadow thing we want. So this much is enough, and here we will make it like as if he is fishing. Okay, so just make that. What do we call this? इसको क्या बोलते हैं? I don't know. Do you guys know? Then comment below. What we call this? जहाँ पे हम लोग fish को catch करते हैं. I remember it, but right now I forgot. Okay, so these are the main elements. We will be working around it. And here comes our this pillars. Like this, on each plank we will be making 1 pillar. Am I too fast, guys, or is my pace okay? Finishing hook. Oh yeah, fishing hook, right. Hook. Okay. Sometimes we forget our basic words also. Fishing hook, right. So these are our main elements. Now I'll be using pen, so you guys can also shift to a pen. Just see if we require any corrections, then we can erase off right now. But I think I'm like kind of happy with this outline. So now I am taking this Micron pens. These are my favorite pens. I usually use this for my sketching things, and they are chemically stable, waterproof and fade resistance, and they come in various sizes. I have got a set which is having 6 different sizes, so I'll be using 08 and 0.03, 08 and 03. This both I will be using. So now first we will just ink it. Okay, अभी हम लोग इसको पूरा ink करके and then we will start shading. Fishing बोल रही थी. As if I have reached the seashore and then we will start fishing. अरे वो थोड़ा सा ना इंटरनेट का इशू हो गया था. Like that is still like behind my back. कि you know that थोड़ा सा little bit our mind gets fluctuated, so still it will take me to come back to normal. तो fishing बोल दी instead of shading. So just ink it, guys. Sometimes when things don't go as per our expectation, so we feel little bit like out of our क्या बोलते हैं, out of our comfort zone.
Yeah, but you guys are so supportive, so it's okay. I hope you guys can understand my situation. You can place this sun at the center also. यहाँ पे अगर एकदम सेंटर में डालना है तो guys, if you have any query, just drop in the comments. Comments is the only means of communication when we are on Facebook. Zoom, at least we have the liberty of viewing each other and communicating directly. So here comes our fishing hook. थैंक्स अपर्णा फॉर गिविंग मी द नेम. पर इसको एक और कुछ बोलते हैं. आई नो इसको कुछ और भी बोलते हैं अपार्ट फ्रॉम फिशिंग हुक. इट इज कॉल्ड समथिंग एल्स ऑल्सो. देयर इज वन मोर वर्ड फॉर इट. After shading, I'm telling you guys, it will look awesome. Okay, so we are done with the inking part. Now let's move forward and start the favorite part. That's my favorite part, to do the shading, क्योंकि उसी से उसका सारा look आता है. Before shading, just erase off the extra lines, जो pencil lines जो visible हैं. Start shading. So first we will start with this plank only. Okay, so let's start inking the pillars. Pillars will be like totally opaque, full black color से उसे भर दो. Attach them nicely to the plank. Okay, I don't know whether it is called plank or what, लेकिन वो जो पता है एक सी के ऊपर ऐसे नीचे उसमें पिलर्स होते हैं और जाने के लिए रहता है थोड़ा सा जगह. That place. And ये साइड्स में भी इसको थोड़ा सा डार्कन कर दो. Darken it a bit. And in the center also the partition lines.
Now just with this, how we have to do, see it properly. First you guys see, okay, then do. यहाँ से how your pen should go is like this, zigzag होगा, आगे पीछे होगा, going towards inside, okay. एक बड़ा एक छोटा like that. Just give random lines. No need of them to be in one particular size. Getting? And then overlap it. फिर से उसे overlap कर दो. So basically we want to show here little bit light effect. कि यहाँ पे light आ रही है. Like that we have to show. सन यहाँ है ना, तो ऐसे लाइट आ रही है यहाँ पे रिफ्लेक्शन में. Like that for the other two parts also. Here also there is complete lockdown for like 2 days, Saturday and Sunday, but I wonder why people are roaming. सबको इतना इमरजेंसी कैसे हो सकता है? And keep your pen like एकदम ऐसे free. The more free it is, the better it will come. उसको आप press करोगे ना तो इतना अच्छा नहीं आएगा. So just keep it free while you make the strokes. And towards this end just fill more. इधर थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा डार्क रखो. Towards the this edges. See, can you see the difference with shading and without shading? Yeah, so shading in this pen art makes the whole art look different. Because here there are no colors, right? So whatever we have to do, it's with the shading only. Done this much. Shall I move forward? Okay, I've got done, so let's move. Now, इसको भी थोड़ा डार्क कर दो. This watery stuff. We will do the means water के जो edges है that we will do. So इसमें जो edges है ना, there we have to put dots which are like very near. Okay, near in the sense ऐसे थोड़े बड़े बड़े dots पास. Okay, to give it little bit ऐसे darker effect. Especially towards the end, मतलब जहाँ पे waves एकदम से ऐसे खत्म हो स्टार्ट. Are you enjoying putting these dots, guys? I am just loving it. So the idea behind this pen art is more of to enjoy the process. देखो बनने के बाद तो ना जो भी enjoyment मिलेगा ना वो उसे सिर्फ एक देखने का मिलेगा, या फिर अगर आपके आर्ट पे किसी ने कुछ कमेंट्स किया, कुछ कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स दिया तो मिलेगा. पर जो असली मजा है वो तभी है जब आप उसे बनाते हो. सो फॉर ऑल दोज हु आर जस्ट वॉचिंग, आई एम टेलिंग यू, मीन्स अभी तो अब मैं हाफ वे में पहुंच गई हूँ. सो यू कैंट डू मच अबाउट इट इफ यू आर जस्ट वॉचिंग इट. बट नेक्स्ट टाइम डोंट डू दैट. फॉर नेक्स्ट टाइम आई एम जस्ट रिक्वेस्टिंग यू टू do it along with me and enjoy the process. क्योंकि I have kept it like with simple basic materials so that everyone can participate and enjoy this. Otherwise I would have kept like with colors, acrylic colors or canvas. तो क्या होता है ना, अभी लॉकडाउन है तो everybody doesn't have उतना material at home. So for that I thought कि I will do this with paper and pen, simple things which are basically available with all. कोई कमेंट्स नहीं. ओह, मतलब नहीं एंजॉय कर रहे हो क्या? और यू आर लॉस्ट इन द प्रोसेस कि कमेंट करने के लिए अभी मन नहीं है. या एक्चुअली कमेंट करने के लिए आपको लाइक ऐसे ये आर्ट छोड़ के वहां जाके टाइप करना पड़ेगा ना. Who wants to take that efforts जब इतना मजा आ रहा हो? No worries, type it in the end. Last में बता देना. Enjoy. Okay, so the dense dots जहाँ भी लगे कि और जगह बची है where we can like add more dots, add as many as you can. just to make it look denser. तो अभी ये यहाँ जो दूर वाला एरिया है, यहाँ पे पुट डॉट्स एट डिस्टेंस, ओके, लाइक दिस. हियर ऑल्सो रैंडम डॉट्स. It requires a lot of patience, to make this shading with the dots. आपको मतलब पेशेंटली एक डॉट पुट करना ही पड़ेगा. And that's the beauty of this art. Enjoy every bit of it. Okay, so we are done with the dots. Now let's make some palm trees. Like this makes a standing line, thicker standing line. See, I'm just right now placing this standing lines, thicker standing lines on the edges. आपको ऐसे थोड़े थोड़े डिस्टेंस पे just put them. Guys, did you check out my previous lives? If you have not checked it, it's uploaded on my YouTube channel. It's saying 10% battery, 10% data. Just you have to give a V shape downwards, okay? So this way you have to complete all this and just fill this man and boat, okay, full, so that will be easy. Now inside the clouds we have to just make some lines, okay, that I will be making with the thinner pen. हमें पतली लाइंस बनाने हैं उसमें. So I'll use my 03. Just make like this lines at different places. लेट्स कंटिन्यू। तो हमारे बादल हो गए, सन हो गया, मैन हो गया। नाउ विल डू द वाटर। ओके, तो वाटर में व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, इट्स वेरी सिंपल। आपको सिर्फ ऐसे 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 लाइंस बनाने हैं, ब्रोकन लाइंस like waves. Can you see? So just make some random curvy lines. Only thing that you have to keep in mind is यहाँ पे, that I'll show how it will change there. Sorry for the inconvenience. Have you guys joined? So we should be thankful to our Wi-Fi. That's what I understood today. कि जो Wi-Fi आपको इतना कन्वीनियंस देता है, कभी हम उसका ऐसे क्या बोलते हैं, शुक्र नहीं मनाते हैं. So now we know the value of Wi-Fi, कि Wi-Fi का होना भी कितना ज़रूरी है. मोबाइल डेटा से आपको क्या क्या प्रॉब्लम आ सकती है, how your mobile data gets used up fast. The more the random the waves are, the better it is. Yeah, so just make like this curvy lines. Okay, abhi the part that I was talking, that is below the boat, that we will cover later. First we will make all this at the edges. Start making some random waves, curvy waves. See how this waves are. इसको भी बनाने के लिए आपको पेशेंस चाहिए. Just enjoy. Make them as random as possible. Some lines, some smaller lines, some dots like this. That will give it more natural effect. अभी जो सेंटर वाला पोर्शन दैट आई हैव केप्ट एम्प्टी, देयर एक्चुअली वी हैव टू शो सम लाइट रिफ्लेक्शन थिंग, क्योंकि सन यहाँ से आ रहा है, यहाँ पे ये बोटमैन आ रहा है, बोट आ रही है, तो एकदम वेव्स ऐसे सीधे नहीं दिखेंगे. देयर विल बी अ रिफ्लेक्शन. देखा है वाटर में द रिफ्लेक्शन दैट वी कैन सी हियर, दैट सेम वी हैव टू कंटिन्यू हियर ऑल्सो. सो फॉर दैट व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, नियर द बोट देयर विल बी मोर डेंसर दिस. यहाँ पे बहुत पास होंगे, क्योंकि जैसे ही वहाँ से बोट जाती है तो देर इज लाइक हलचल इन वाटर, एकदम से पूरा पानी कैसे वो शफल होने लग जाता है, तो यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा ऐसे डेंस रखो. इट इज मेकिंग मोर मूवमेंट हियर. ठीक है, कैन यू सी द मूवमेंट? वी हैव डिपिक्टेड द मूवमेंट ऑफ वाटर यहाँ पे. एंड नाउ कम्स द रिफ्लेक्शन थिंग. तो यहाँ पे ना आपको बहुत ही ऐसे कम कम से ये बनाने विंग्स, very less, okay, so that will give a feeling of this light reflection. Got it, guys? See, this is like little bit empty space, so we can notice that it is like a reflection thing. Very less amount of waves will be there. Okay, so done this much, guys. Now the thing that I have left, I'll complete it. Trees. So just make this V shapes. And if you want to fill this sun, you can, and if you want to keep it empty, then that is also fine. I'm thinking whether to fill it or not. Okay, I'll fill it. So I'm just filling it. Okay, so we are done, and the main part is now to just sign it. Signing is very important. हमें अपने आप को acknowledge करना पड़ता है that this art is done by us. So here are my sign, AG Anita Gupta, and we are done with our pen art. Hope you guys enjoyed the process. So here I am, guys. Thank you for staying by and completing it. It really required a lot of patience, not just for drawing it or for making it, but also bearing the network issues with me. Thank you for being there. I hope you can understand these are some things out of our control. So life is like that. Sometimes we have to adjust with the situations that we have. Thanks for understanding. Catch you next Saturday. I'll post the details. Probably it will be 4 o'clock only. But if any changes, have a look at my page. All the 3 places I update: Facebook page, Instagram, as well as on my WhatsApp status. So wherever you are connected with me, just on the notifications and you will get all the details. Thank you. Bye bye. See ya.